Are you looking for the Shark ION P50 Cordless Upright Vacuum Cleaner? We've reviewed nicely, so let's start the discussion. Features: 2 brush roll motorhead. 2 brush rolls are better than 1. The ION P50 uses 2 brush rolls inside of the motorhead that work in tandem at picking up both large and small debris. The height of the brushes is non-adjustable, but it's not so low that it'll scratch hardwood, tiled or laminated floors. Convertible, upright, stick, and handheld. The unique shape and design of the Shark ION P50 IC162 is to support a 3-in-1 system. This upright converts into a stick and handheld vacuum easily by detaching the housing from the thin shaft. Turning it into a stick vac allows you better reach into tight spaces with the casing hindering movement. As a handheld unit, you're able to spot clean above ground surfaces by attaching one of the cleaning tools, deep cleaning motorized pet tool and 18-inch flexi crevice tool, and several others that are sold separately, to the end of the hose and carrying the dustbin housing with the other hand. 50 minutes of runtime. On a full charge, the 2900 mAh battery pack can deliver up to 50 minutes of continuous cleaning time. From completely empty to full, it takes a maximum of 3 hours to fully recharge. By cordless upright standards, this is actually one of the longest lasting and quickest charging batteries we've ever seen. Large dustbin. This upright vacuum cleaner comes with a large 600 ml dustbin that, we've found, can hold on to multiple cleaning sessions worth of dust before needing to empty out. A large dustbin is always preferable since it reduces the frequency of needing to open the vacuum and toss the contents which can scatter onto your floor. HEPA filter and anti-allergen seal. For those of you who suffer from pet and/or seasonal allergies, we've got some excellent news for you. The Shark ION P50 IC162 uses a true HEPA filter that traps particles as small as 0.3 microns in size up to 99.97% of the time. That's small enough to trap dust mites, their waste and eggs, dander, pollen, and most specks of dust, and it prevents them from flying out of the vacuum's exhaust port and going airborne. But that's not all. The stick vacuum is also made with anti-allergen seal that stops dust particles from seeping their way out of the device. Cleaner floors, cleaner air, cleaner home. Pros: significant runtime of up to 50 minutes. Removable battery power lets you upgrade the runtime. Excellent cleaning performance. HEPA filtration and anti-allergen. Cons: no mini power brush for cleaning stairs.